Okay, guys, this is part 2, and it's another topiary and a heart picture DIY. So that's what we're doing today, just to take off of the last topiary video with some more tips and tricks in it. These I found in the fall. Same basic idea, upper and lower. What I did with these, because these have leaves, take them all the way up to the tip of what's usable, right? These, by the way, have a sharp bottom. So you want to use the other side. But yeah, put our lower ones in first. Do your level best to keep them separated in the middle and going outward. Again, you could twist them around. Then make sure they're all going to the one side. You can twist them at the seam point. And then this we're going to keep higher. You can use a glue gun if you want. There we go. And then this same thing, make sure it's going the right direction. It's going to be a little harder to get in there. You're going to have to, you may even have to cut slits in this, because I did have them both. I did have them all in here. No, okay, there it goes. It's going. And again, keep the two sides separated so you have that heart shape. And just zhuzh around, bend and zhuzh. Bend and zhuzh your flowers. And again, stick it in our topiary. And I know this isn't perfect, guys. This is, you know me, I'm an idea girl. The idea. I'm sure you guys know enough to make it the way you want. Another idea that I had was this back in, glue it, and this is the other one that I did that I'm not happy with, by the way, that I'm going to redo. But I wanted to show you how I just have angel wings attached to the actual topiary itself. It's so adorable. So that's probably what I'm actually going to be doing when I perfect my my plant. These are also, they're not really topiaries, but you can cover these by just cutting your width, because these are straight, so you don't need to go through all this. But when the pot comes out on an angle, that's the way I do it. This is straight, so you can just cut, you know, paper, cardboard, fabric, glue it to itself, just overlap like a ½ inch or whatever, and cover it that way. I just haven't made up my mind what I want to do with these. These are Dollar Tree. So I'm doing them. Then I have this one that I'm going to cover as well. Is also, I believe, is also from the Dollar Tree. But wanted to show it to you in a different pot. And again, get these upper ones. Some of these are just sort of sticking to each other. And you have another one. So yeah, a couple of cute ideas. While I've got you here, I had another cute little idea that I wanted to try and show you. I had this from last year. This is, oops. Okay. So this is, y'all probably see me. I made angel wings this last year. With this. I had cut it. It was a heart shaped. Obviously, you can see it's still heart shaped. So, but what I'm going to do is take my ribbon, because I glued this very, very well. And we're going to tie the 2 sets of beads together at the bottom. We're just going to shift. We're just going to feed this through. If you guys saw me, it's just pleated like every other bead. You can see the glue, every other bead here. And then I pleated. This is wire ribbon, obviously. So we're just sifting it through the last 2 beads on either side through to the opposite side. Obviously, untangle your mess. Karen. Yes. And then we're going to pull this up and through the center. Just get your tails meeting. That just helps it to hold together. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're going to make our bow. And then do your judging, guys. Fix your bow. Use some glue if you need to. This is double-sided ribbon. I told you before on the other one. But if you want to use glue to hold it open or just in place, whatever, there's your heart back together. And this was my plan. I found this. I think I showed you guys on a short. So I was just going to cut a rough shape heart. Obviously, you can see out of this. And, you know, rebend your heart. Obviously, this has been stored, so it's a little off. But you can see where you just need a triangle here. And that'll fit. We're just going to take this right out. And, you know, just getting a general idea. This, again, is Topiary. But I was just thrilled with it, just not the frame. But I love the picture. Yeah, I think that's the part I want. Will work so much better. Okay. So we're just taking, yeah, I like that better. So we're just going to cut our corner so it doesn't show. And then you can round the other ones a little if you're worried about it. So we obviously don't want it to show, but then we're just making sure we got the part that we want, and then we're going to glue it down. And yeah, get yourself centered there. And y'all know I like my Dollar General ties that we are just going to loop through here. You'll see. If you have this particular beaded type, which you don't have to use the same beaded type, but I'm just twist, bend over, opposite sides, twist again. Let that stick up behind there. Hold it up, nice and simple. These topiaries, guys, you could just put foam in any old one of the tin cans, and these straw type things, and your flowers, and you can connect these at the bottom and make a heart shape, and just make heart topiaries instead of angel wings. It's just, you know me, I'm the angel wing girl. So, but yeah. And just make little heart topiaries, or take a wooden heart, put it in, and, you know, put your foam, decorate the top, put a few flowers, whatever. You know, I'm not a fan of moss, but Topiary, Easter is out. They sell the green grass mats. I think they're table runners. Cut some of that, stick that in there. Because I am not a fan of moss at all. But anyway, there you go. Hope you like. Please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below. I will see you on my next video.